I have found that this little paintbrush is the best way to stain wood, hands down. So if you're going to put stain into a container like this, you got to make sure you shake it up really well before you put it into your other container. You just want to make sure that it's nice and thoroughly mixed and there's nothing at the bottom that we'll need. So for me, the easiest way that I found to do this was to use a syringe to suck up the stain and then put that inside the bottle. It might take a couple tries to fill it up, but this is going to make your life so much easier, especially if you're only trying to stain small pieces of wood. This is seriously going to make the process go by so no. And you definitely don't want to spill it like I just did. So make sure you are not doing this inside or on a surface that can't get dirty. But slow and steady wins the race. Alternatively, you can use a funnel and just pour in here, but I don't have one, which is why I went the route with the syringe. All right, we're almost got it. All right, that's good to me. I'll put this top back on. Then we can screw our cap back on. Make sure that is nice and tight. And then we're going to shake this up. So now we have the stain in this super convenient little brush here. Then we can just remove the top, shake it up, and then you want to activate it by just pushing down to let all that stain come into the brush. And then this is so easy. You just go like this, and then you have an easy way to stain your piece of wood. This is probably the best no mess way to do this. And then you just let that soak in for a second, and then you can wipe off the excess. And then you just put the cap on, and then you're good to go. I would definitely make sure you store this upright, but you could do whatever you want. So I hope this tip helped. I have a bunch of other tutorials on this channel that you might be interested, so make sure you go check those out, and I'll see you in the next one.